Find the server panel and take out those turrets.
Thought I saw something.
Don't worry, plenty of web to go around.
I would test myself.
Reinforcements.
Once more!
Just a taste.
I have a shot!
More turrets left.
Spider-Man's. Reinforcements. Philadelphia here already? Someone get on them!
That base data you got from the blinds shows another room here. Maybe it's got some intel about the hunters we can use?
Jackpot. Okay. There's an encrypted file.
Sasha, give up this obsession. Come home to me while we still have time left.
Our time is over, my love.
And your children? They will draw blood for control of our empire.
The Cubs must earn their place, like anyone else.
They will see me as an obstacle.
Then you must strike first.
Kraven's family? They sound cool. Could be trouble down the line.
I'll be ready. Let's keep clearing bases till then.